Today is 10th of August 2024. Now we are here in Thai Vipassana Center. Today I will explain about Myanmar situation. Now, in the country of Myanmar, there are more and more people or family who are running away from their town and house by leaving their belongings for their safety. In the social media, there are more and more supporting for fighting or killing or destroying each other. Therefore, more and more people in the country are worrying to lose their life, to be killed by shooting or bombing or burning. This may be the worst situation for nearly the whole country of Myanmar. Only Yangon and Naypyidaw are more safe at the present. Therefore, more and more monastery and meditation center and also lay people in the society from Yangon are inviting to come and stay in their belongings for free. They will also invite for food as much as they can. But most of the inviting donor may not have much shelter for many refugees. In the past, helping to the people who are running away from their house because of the battle or war in their place. Now, the situation became worse and worse. Therefore, helping to the people or families or refugees became more and more open in social media. There are also more and more temporary donors for the shelters of the refugees. For the Bhava Center, we are accepting the most needy people of the society from 2007 till now. For over 70 years continuously, we are helping, we are accepting and giving temporary or permanent shelter not only for the human beings but also for the animals, dogs, cats, cows, buffalo, goats, pigs, chicken, etc. Here in 2024 situation, we already received suitable land for the needy people or families. In 2 or 3 miles, there are over 100 acre land of the Bhava Center. In 175 miles, we are using 100 acre of land with the bamboos and big tree for shelter. In 97 miles beside the Yangon-Nebira highway, there are 50 acres. In 70 miles also, there are over 100 acres. We can use for the most needed people who cannot rent or buy the land or the house by themselves. But for the needy people who can buy the cheap land, we are also going to sell with cheaper price to build their own house as much as they can. For those who have nothing, who cannot buy the land, we will donate. Some of the Myanmar donors are also supporting to the Bhava Center. They will donate for the temporary house or bamboo house. In this way, for the families who have nothing to pay, not only for the land, but also for the house, can be okay. But there can be many refugees. We cannot afford for all the needy family, but we will support as much as we can by cooperating with the other land or monastery donors. This is the most important times for the country. We cannot do by ourselves. We need, if we can get support from the other country, we can do more. We can help more and more needy family. Therefore, all the people or organization who went to save the life of the most needed Myanmar family, they can cooperate with us. They can support for the land or for the house or for the food or for the medicine, for the water, for the restroom, for the light, electric or solar. All are warmly welcome. For the Power Center, we have been doing good deeds beyond our limit from 2007 to till now. So we will continue helping to the most needed family as much as we can. Thank you for your listening. ခုချိန်ကမြန်မာနိုင်ငံအတွက်